Tired of juggling receipts, manually entering expenses, and waiting forever for reimbursements? You're not alone. Expensify is here to simplify your life and streamline your expense reporting. But how exactly do you add those expenses? Let's dive in. Imagine this: you're on a business trip, enjoying a delicious dinner. You snap a photo of the receipt with your phone. Boom! That's it. No more crumpled receipts, no more frantic searches for missing information. Expensify automates the rest. But let's break it down step by step. 1. The Expensify app. The Expensify app is your go-to for effortless expense tracking. Download it from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, sign up or log into your existing account. Expensify offers various ways to add expenses. Let's explore the most common methods. 2. Smart Receipts. This is where the magic happens. Simply take a photo of your receipt using the Expensify app. Expensify's powerful AI analyzes the image, extracting key information like date, vendor, and amount. It's incredibly accurate and saves you tons of time. Pro tip: ensure the receipt is well lit and in focus for optimal accuracy. If the AI misses any details, you can easily edit them manually. 3. Manual entry. Sometimes, you might not have a physical receipt. No problem. You can manually enter expenses using the new Expense button. Simply fill in the required fields like date, vendor, amount, and category. Expensify provides a wide range of expense categories to choose from, making it easy to categorize your spending and track it effectively. 4. Credit card integration. Connect your credit cards to Expensify for seamless expense tracking. Every transaction automatically appears in your Expensify account. No more manual entry. Simply review and categorize the expenses as needed. This integration is a lifesaver for frequent travelers and those who use credit cards for most business expenses. 5. Mileage tracking. If you're driving for business, Expensify can track your mileage automatically. Enable location services, and Expensify will record your trips and calculate the mileage reimbursement based on your company's policy. It's that simple. 6. Approvals and reimbursements. Once you've added your expenses, submit your expense report for approval. Expensify streamlines the approval process, allowing your manager to quickly review and approve your expenses. Once approved, you can easily track the status of your reimbursements. Expensify often integrates with various payment methods, making it easy to receive your reimbursements quickly and securely. 7. Tips and tricks. Customize your Expensify experience by setting up custom rules and policies. This helps ensure your expenses are categorized correctly and processed efficiently. Take advantage of Expensify's reporting features. Generate detailed reports on your spending habits, identify areas for potential cost savings, and gain valuable insights into your business travel expenses. Don't forget to explore Expensify's other features, such as expense policies, travel booking tools, and integrations with other business applications. With Expensify, managing your expenses is no longer a chore. Say goodbye to tedious manual entry and hello to streamlined expense reporting. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.